How's the Josh? Wonderful. Okay. So second consolation prize is backed by debate. Event is debate. The second consolation prize is backed by JC's Public School, Rudrapur, Uttarakhand by Tanushri Joshi. Tanushri Joshi has backed the second consolation prize. She's from JC's Public School, Rudrapur, Uttarakhand. Congratulations. Please keep clapping, audience. This is the most awaited moment of the day. First consolation prize is backed by Bhavans Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Khushi Modi. Third prize is backed by City Montessori School, Rajajipuram Campus II, Ishika Singh. Second prize goes to Army Public School, Lucknow, Madhuvendra Singh for debate. First prize goes to Bluebells Model School, Gurugram, Haryana. Let's have a big round of applause for her. Krisha Gupta. Krisha Gupta from Bluebells Model School, Gurugram, Haryana. She has bagged the first prize in the debate event. Is she there? Last call. Second consolation, JC's Public School, Rudrapur, Uttarakhand. Tanushri Joshi. First prize. Bluebells Model School, Gurugram, Haryana. Krisha Gupta. Is she here? Krisha Gupta from Bluebells Model School, Gurugram. Do we have the team leader here of Bluebells Model School? Okay. Now we have time to announce the prizes for our second event, Digital Comics. And the prizes goes... The second consolation prize has been shared by two teams. Bluebells Model School, Gurugram, Tavishi Goyal and Ishita Kumar Jha. May we have you on the screen? Tavishi Goyal and Ishita Kumar Jha. May we have you all on the stage? The second consolation prize is again shared by Rustamji International School, Mohadi Campus, Jalgaon, Divya Agarwal and Ved Patil.
Are you ready?
Bluebells School, are you here? Okay, so this is Rustamji International School, Mohadi Campus, Ms. Divya Agarwal and Ved Patil. there's a little correction. It is Shaurya Nawal from Rustomji International School. Okay. Congratulations to both of you and congratulations to the team. Good big round of applause for them, all of you. Dear team leaders, I request you all to please call your students if they are not present here. And your friends, please. Okay. Now it's time for the first consolation prize, which is again shared by two teams. And it goes like this: Sunbeam School, Mughal Sarai, Miss Trisha and Miss Pratham Vanwari. A big round of applause for them. The second team is MIT World Peace School, Pune, Maharashtra. Nuzhat Nizamuddin Sayyed and Parikshit Sandeep Fakre. Are you both here? MIT School, Pune? MIT School, Pune, are you here? Nuzhat Nizamuddin Sayyed and Parikshit Sandeep. Okay. Now our next prize is the third prize, again shared by two teams. The SD Vidya School, Ambala, Kant, Haryana. Yes. Here we come to know that they are present here. Akal Kirat Kaur and Angel. May we have you both on the stage, please? Other teams, we are missing something. It should not stop. Yes, thank you. Congratulations, Akal Kirat and Angel. And the second team who has bagged the third prize is the Aryan International School, Varanasi. They again make their presence wonderful. Can we have Aditya Bajaj and Jivitesh Manek on the stage, please? Congratulations to both the teams. Now this is again very surprising that the second prize has been bagged again by two teams. And it goes like this: Govindgarh Public School, Punjab. It is Chehek, Miss Chehek and Miss Ishrat. May I have you on the stage, please? Oh yes, the girls are here. And St. Edmund's School, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Shrishti Patel and Shubham Kumar. Congratulations to all. Okay.
Are you ready?
Now, last and not the least for digital comic, most awaited first prize goes to Sunshine Public School, Ghazipur. Srijan Singh and Lakshya Singh. Srijan and Lakshya, congratulations, wonderful. And congratulations to all the teams, all the students standing here. Now this is the last call for Bluebells Model School, Gurugram, Tavishi Goyal, Ishat Kumar Jha. If you are here, please be on stage as soon as possible. And MIT World School, Pune, Maharashtra, Nuzhat Nizamuddin Sayyed and Parikshit Sandeep Fakre. If you are here, please be on the stage.
Are you ready?
event. May I have the Blue Bells Model School Gurugram on the stage, Tavishi Goyal and Ishas Kumar Jha for their prizes. Second consolation prize for the digital comic. And MIT World Peace School Pune Maharashtra, Nuzhat Nizamuddin Sayyed and Parikshit Sandeep Fakre. Okay, Tavishi from Blue Bells Model School is here. And may I request Okay, now the next event, drama. Hold your breath, audience. The second consolation prize goes to Govindgarh Public School, Punjab. Chehek Ishpreet, Just Simran, Vanshika. Yes, please come up on the stage. Congratulations. Second consolation prize to you. Govindgarh Public School.
Are you ready?
First consolation prize.
Are you ready? Are you
Second consolation is shared by two teams. The second one is Bhavan's Girdhar Das Mohota Vidya Mandir, Hingaghat, Maharashtra. Raj Kochar, Vian Rathi, Ananya Disha Kothari and Nidhi Daga. Please be on the stage. Congratulations to the winners. The first consolation prize goes to Modern School, Nagpur. Varuni Pardhui, Swara Kohle, Ved Revatkar, Tridha Sarkar, Aman Kumar. Please be on the stage. Congratulations. The third prize is backed by Sir Padmavat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. Jaskirat Kaur, Lakshya Gautam, Lavanya Singhvi, Mohammad Mustakfi Abbasi, Divya Dev Chaudhary. Congratulations. Yes, audience, let us feel the electricity. The clapping should keep on going.